my name is Gail Gramlich. We're at the Chocolate Bar in Reno, Nevada. Today we are making the Victorian Martini. This is kind of an old school martini. First thing we're going to do is take some blackberries, put them into the glass. We're going to muddle them down. Okay. Then we're going to add a splash of sloe gin. Then we're going to add a splash of white creme de cacao. Splash. 1 ounce of cognac, and today we're going to use Remy Martin. 1 and 2. And 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. 1 and 2. And put ice into the glass. Do this a little bit backwards. Okay, and shake it up. Get it all mixed up. Gonna go get a chilled martini glass. Just go ahead and strain into a chilled martini glass. Beautiful. And then to garnish, if you have an orange twist, just twist, rim, and drop. And that is the Victorian Martini. Again, I'm Gail Gramlich, and we're at the Chocolate Bar in Reno, Nevada. Come visit us.